everyone, in this session we will study about key characteristics of tuples. Okay, first, tuple is an ordered sequence similar like list. This is a collection of items and the items maintain a specific order, so they can be accessed by their index. Okay. Second, tuples are immutable. Once they are created, can never be changed or modified. Only it can be deleted. It's just opposite of list. Lists are mutable, tuples are immutable. Third, similar like list, it also can contain different types of data, so it is heterogeneous. Number 4, any elements can be accessed by indexing, by using positive indexing or by negative indexing. Okay, so tuples can be iterated over using loops like for loops, and every element can be accessed sequentially just like list. Okay, next, size and performance. Tuples are generally more memory efficient because they are immutable. Second, some operations are faster with tuples compared to list. Okay, tuples packing unpacking, that means tuples support packing multiple values into a single tuple. Okay, let me show you an example. Here, like my tuple equal to 1, 2, 3, and if I write a comma b comma c equal to my tuple, then 1 will be assigned to A, 2 will be assigned to B, and 3 will be assigned to C. Now if I try to print, so 1, 2, 3 will be printed. Okay. Next one is hashable. They can be used as keys in dictionaries and elements in sets. While we will study set and dictionary, we will understand the hashable concept. Okay. Next, tuples are mainly used when security is concerned, mainly used where immutability is desired, like coordinates or database values or function return values where more secured approach is required, tuples are mainly used. Okay, so these are the characteristics of tuple. Okay, bye. Happy learning.